Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then hit Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!